Yeah, video on, yeah. And now go look on the floor now. I mean, rain only hits like, well, you'd be lucky if it hits like this, so. Like I said, go look now. It's with a constant flow. Yeah, see it dripping underneath? Come look. Come get a video over here. It's dripping on its leak drip spot. See it?
Oh, okay.
See where it's coming out?
Yep.
That's what he wants to see, probably that. Now go look on the other side. And then go, well, look under here, make sure it's not wet. You can see wet dripping.
Yeah.
It's all been restored anyway, so.
And then the other side?
Yeah. You can open up that door. And then you want to see the other side on the floor. It's just dripping. Dripping on this front rail?
Yeah.
That's coming off the drip zone. That's what's supposed to come out.
Nothing dripping.
And I'm still on it, so it's still up there. Still doing the water. Up there.
Yep, nothing dripping.
Yeah.
We're still doing water.
Leave the door open. Check the bottom now. See where it's dripping? See it?
See the
Go look on
dripping?
the other side. You could have went around the other way. That's dripping under there too?
Yeah, all dripping.
Yeah. That's the factory drip mark. But go look on the inside again. Make sure you open that door and show them.
Okay. No dripping.
That's still going too, so. Nothing?
Nothing.
Yeah, you still going?
Yeah.
It's still letting it drip. Yeah, it ain't.
There's no leaks.
But yeah, I think he was